Hi, I'm Craig Jones with Performance DIY, formerly Epoxy Coat, and
I'm Rick Van Ryendam.
what we're going to be talking about is the Authorized Installer Program. So what's very exciting about our products is they're all inclusive, do-it-yourself, certified coating with transferable lifetime warranties direct to the customer. So it adds a lot of value to you as an installer. And so we're going to be talking about all of our simple kits and how we make it easy for the authorized installers to be able to facilitate a job, whether it be a residential job, commercial, or industrial jobs. And so go ahead and start talking a little bit, Rick, if you could, please, about.
Well, with our Performance DIY certification program that we're going to be doing, what we're going to be working on is teaching installers, contractors, even beginners in this industry how to perform a coating application. So what we would do is focus on training, how you can improve your business, how we can help you out with marketing. There's so many different aspects that we can help you out with.
So that's fantastic. And so we have over 40 years experience in application and manufacturing. And so really what we're trying to do is scale this coating business. And what we're doing and what you'll appreciate is if you give us a picture of a job and the square footage, the material will be shipped right out to the job site. Everything will be included, all the sundries and everything necessary for you to complete that project. And this way also the actually training is much easier, you know, by having the do-it-yourself kits. And so surface prep is one of the training attributes we'll be showing you, mixing in application and the different types of finishes. So we really kind of want to promote the certified coating systems, and this is going to give you a better reputation. We don't really offer a cheap product. Our products are all super quality with transferable lifetime warranties. So it adds value to you and your business model in the future. But if you come to us, we'll show you everything necessary to start your own business and receive all the proper training, get your website going, get your sales and marketing material going so that you'll be able to go right into business. And there's so many benefits. We also offer financing for your customers that you'll be able to appreciate and get into.
When we go into the surface prep, we have years and years of experience, over 40 years, millions of square feet of applications. So what we want to get into is how to prep a floor, how to teach you to do it the right way, what to look for when you're prepping a floor, what to do if you run into a situation that you're not familiar with. We could walk you through everything.
Well, that's it. We're trying to make it as simple as possible and really give it an opportunity for you to get into your business as simple as possible with very little money. And there's also a really nice program. We offer discounts to all the authorized installers. We also have a lead generation where we receive leads where customers want us to do the floor. And if you are an authorized installer, you will have an exclusive area that all of those leads will go to you directly so that you'll be working on those jobs and be able to receive all the benefits.
You would definitely be working directly with us. We will supply, like Craig was saying, different leads. We will help you with the marketing. We will help you with advertising in your area. Whatever it takes to help you build your business, we're here to help.
You really can go and offer a lot to a customer. And if you make it easy with special financing, with the lifetime certification, and all the credibility of our company being NASA's only sole installer, and most Fortune 500 companies that work with us, you're going to have the credibility behind you to be able to really take a simple job and turn it into a much larger job. And that's really what we're trying to do.
Just remember, when you work for yourself, you can never get fired.
That's right. We thank you, and here at Performance DIY, we're looking for more installers. Authorized installers will give you a great opportunity to get into where we reduce all the barriers to entry so that you can get into the business and find success fast, effective, and efficient. And we're very competitively priced for the Authorized Installer program. So give us a chance, call us up, and let's talk about it. I think you will not regret any of it. We are the most organized company for scaling this kind of business moving into the future. Here at Performance, we appreciate your time. On behalf of Rick Van Ryn and Craig Jones, thank you for visiting Performance DIY.